Do you want this ball? Look at a yo-yo ball. It can be squished too. There's something under. That means if we alive. A yo-yo thinks it can be super fun, everyone thinks. But look, did you see that? And it is from Lioness Melvin. Look at this. It can squish too. Guys, do you want to play? Like and subscribe. Bye bye.